I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, and we're checking out the final bin number 70. I literally can't believe we are here. This is the final bin of the series. I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies. And I have a quick story to tell because when we purchased this collection, as we were leaving, we had bonded with the legacy crafter already. She was so sweet, and I could tell that we were going to be friends forever. Make sure you go watch our Q&A if you missed it. But as we were leaving, she kind of pushed this box over towards me, and she said, I was going to hang on to this, but I really want you to have it. I want you to have this. Make sure you keep it somewhere safe because it is very, very special. And that's why it is the final bin. It is full of Swarovski crystals, and my heart just skipped a beat when I saw these. So I cannot wait to really dig in and see what's here, and what a beautiful way to close out the series. But before I get super teary and emotional, don't go anywhere, because not only do I have a surprise for you at the end of this video, but I will be announcing our new series that will continue just as this one has, so don't go anywhere. All right, I'm zooming in a little here because I want to make sure we really take this in. Oh my gosh, now Swarovskis are some of the most beautiful crystals and beads that I've ever seen, and we're starting off with some of my favorite colors, pink and purple hearts. These are adorable. I have an obsession with little crystal hearts. I must have seen some sort of movie or TV show when I was younger. I don't remember what it was, but I remember the girl wore a heart necklace, and it was on a clasp, and she was able to just like pull it off like this, or someone pulled it off for her. I don't even know what it was, but this reminds me of it. And that, I guess, was just a little locked memory I had, so I might have to hang on to a couple of the hearts here. And we do have the little pink ones as well. These ones are hot pink and magenta, and my gosh, the way that these shimmer and shine is just absolutely stunning. Oh, this color is gorgeous as well, and it matches my shirt, so I love it. Beautiful turquoise hearts. Wow, I didn't realize most of these were hearts when I picked this one, but I think that's super appropriate for the first bin. Man, those are so cute. We've got some emerald green ones as well. There are some light pink and dark. I can't tell if that's a very dark red or a black. And we have some peach and orange, which looks super cute together. Ooh, and these ones are little flowers. Oh my gosh, I love the flowers. And those come in red as well. Here's a closer look at the beautiful crystal Swarovski hearts. Oh my gosh, this one is also super exciting. I see some really cool shapes in here, including these little starfish. Oh my gosh, I do remember there was some starfish crystals in another bin. I'm not sure if they were Swarovski, but I did keep a couple because I loved them so much. So really excited to see those as well. Oh no, this looks like a really special one. Okay, that has to be the prettiest one I've seen so far. The pink and the blue and the purple. Okay, I love it. I love it. I love it. I need it. I think that's what I'm gonna hang on to. Whoa. Ooh. Oh man, she really liked the hearts, and that makes me so happy because they're so fun. Absolutely love those as well. And there are some larger crystals here. Very pretty. Oh man. Oh man, look at these. There is coral and starfish and seashells, and the camera doesn't do them justice, y'all. These are so freaking beautiful. Okay, you've got to be kidding me. There's more coral and little crystal fishies. Look how precious those are. I am absolutely in love with these. It's just my mermaid dreams coming to life once again. Oh, these are pretty cool. I like the squares, kind of funky. And this wouldn't be an 80-year-old lady's bin without the snowflakes. Christmas was her favorite holiday from what we could tell, and we have seen pretty much every single bin having something to do with Christmas or snowflakes. Here's a closer look at the absolutely beautiful crystals. Ooh, okay, this has some smaller ones, but still a really nice size. We've got some beautiful pink and gold, gorgeous jet black. Oop, looks like there's a little piece of glitter in there. Oh, the soft pink. The soft pink pastel are absolutely pretty. So pretty. And there's a nice mix of purple and blue. And of course we have our super shiny clear crystals. Very prismatic, very gorgeous. There's a closer look. Oh, these are pretty cool. It looks like they are lined in gold. So that one's actually a chain. Oh, I think all of these are chains. There is a beautiful dark green one as well. Oh my gosh, I love that lilac purple. Oh, and that beautiful mint green. These are really cute. I like these a lot. And this has a little tiny chain and then just some pretty blue beads, like circular beads. Or not blue, they're green. they're like a blue-green. Oh my gosh, speaking of blue, these are gorgeous. They look like they match my shirt on camera, which is actually more like of a teal green, but hey, it works. And there's your close-up. There are so many of these. I have no idea how we're gonna get through them all. Oh, those are super cool. They almost look like little dragon eggs, don't they? Love them. Wow, that blue is a beautiful color. It just shines so nicely. The light reflects off of them very beautifully. Oh, now these definitely look like dragon's eggs. Oh my gosh, I might need these. Oh, they would make the cutest little earrings, wouldn't they? That's a nice big crystal as well. Absolutely love them. Here's a closer look at this one. Oh, these are pretty neat. They're like encased in silver. I don't know if she made them herself or if these like fell out or if you get them and then put them together. I'm not really sure how these work, but there is a ton. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like an orange and a green and a brown. Lots of, lots of beautiful colors there. Oh, and I love those hot pink ones. Those are super cute. I love the blue and the purple. And of course, the nice little clear ones. And these are my favorite colors. Pure perfection. Oh my gosh, look at these. Ah, I feel like a kid in a candy store. Oh, they come packaged in the little trays. I was wondering what that was, but oh my gosh, this one. The blue and the purple, it looks like the one that I kept earlier. And yeah, that looks like a beautiful set. You know what I'm gonna say? I'm keeping these. And here's a closer look at this breathtaking container. You know, I gotta say, I'm usually not a fan of the little cube ones, but these are spectacular. I think I'm kind of obsessed with them. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh, and these are super galaxy. I love these as well. Gosh, they shine so brightly. I mean, like, they're illuminating. They're so pretty. And there it is, my favorite color combo, the blue and the pink, or the mint and the pink. And here's a close-up of the cute little cubes. And I found a second container of cubes. These ones are really cute too. There's lots of clear ones in here. Next up, we have some of the larger beads in pretty much any color you can imagine, including those beautiful pink and purple ones down here. We have these beautiful colors as well, and those blues stand out as my favorite from this one. Some more absolutely beautiful colors, and I have to say those purple are popping out. This one looks like it has a little bit of a variety. Oh my gosh, that one is so cool. I thought it was a heart at first. It's just a circle, but very pretty. We also have this large orangish one as well. Ooh, we do have a couple of the hearts here. And here's a closer look, including these little itty bitty baby ones. Speaking of itty bitty baby ones, there's also all of these and these and these. There's literally so many. I'm just gonna have to quickly show them. Otherwise, we'll be looking at these for hours and hours and hours. But I don't know if that would be a bad thing because it's literally so hard to say goodbye to this series. But it's about that time to wrap up. And of course, we can't say goodbye to our 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies unbinning series without saying goodbye to our sweet, sweet Bob. As much as y'all love him and as much fun as we've had together, I think it's time for him to retire. It's been a long 70 video series and he just needs a bit of a break. But don't worry, because like I said, we have another series that's just going to start right up after this one, and it's going to be a little more simple. The hook is going to be, I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop. Let's open a bin of art supplies. Let's open a bin of scrapbook supplies. Let's open a bin of fabric, etc., etc., etc. And I do have some bins to mix in from a large estate sale that I acquired. There's over 22 of those, so we'll definitely have a fun mix of things, but most of it is going to be stuff that has been traded in by our customers to our shop. And speaking of which, if you happen to be catching the very last video as your very first video, my name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin, We're located in Tampa Bay, Florida, and customers can trade in their leftover art and craft supplies for store credit. Now, as fun as Bob has been to have around, we actually have our very own mascot, Binny the trash can. Our incredible friend at Happy Skull Crafts made him for us, and he's going to be replacing Bob in the series, but he's a little bit bigger than Bob, as you can see. And so she also made us a baby Binny. I think he's just the perfect size, and I can't wait to find Binny hidden in all of the bins to come. So I just want to take an extra minute here to thank our wonderful legacy crafter. Oh, I knew I was going to start crying, for sharing her beautiful collection with us. I know it was very hard for her to let go of it, but I know it's all been going to really good homes. I've been treasuring and keeping some of it for myself as well, and it's just going to be loved and appreciated for many years to come. So let's make sure to give her lots of love in the comments. Thank you from the bottom of my heart and the bottom of the bin for making this one of the most incredible series ever. I've had so much fun, and I can't wait to start our new one, do some more crafting videos, share more about our store, share more about everything going on here at Bottom of the Bin, and just thank you all for being here along this just incredible journey. Like I said, I've learned so much. I've met so many incredible people. We've had so many of you pop into the store and tell me that you watch the videos and you love it so much and you love watching, and it's just been such an amazing joy. So I'm very excited to come back with our new series, tell you more about that, and of course, make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Bye!